Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can open a link in new tab on WordPress. So make sure to watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open up your WordPress dashboard. Then in your left side menu, click on host. I'll show you how a normal link opens up. I'll open on my page and click on this link. You can see it opens up in the current page. I'll show you how you can change that in a new post. Just create a new post and type in something. If I make this piece of text a link, I'll have to type in the link. Just edit this link text and tap on this small settings icon. Inside it, you will see a toggle button. Just toggle it on and you are done. Now this link will open up in the new window. That's how you can open links in the new tabs on WordPress. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.